Hello to everyone and welcome to my home studio here in the Netherlands. I'm Christian Kromme and I'm an international keynote speaker on the future of business, technology, health and humanity. And I'm the author of the Amazon best-selling book Humanification. Go Digital, Stay Human. Now, maybe you're watching this video because you need to reinvent your business model to stay relevant in the near future. Or probably you're afraid that your job or skill set will be automated by increasing technology. Or perhaps you just want to develop a future-proof mindset to act with more confidence in times of extreme uncertainty. Well, you're in the right place, because in this online master course I will help you to develop a future-proof mindset. And I will help you to understand the driving forces behind exponential technologies like artificial intelligence and robotics, and how they will impact our personal life, our jobs and our community. I've been a technology entrepreneur for more than 15 years. And then I discovered a way to predict the future. As a short background, 9 years ago my daughter was born with a rare and deadly genetic disorder. The doctor said there was no cure, no treatment available. So she got a terminal diagnosis. And in this search to save my daughter's life, I was forced to look in a more holistic way towards the human body and towards health. And during my research I discovered something remarkable. The human body is a society of over 37 trillion cells that work together in harmony. And these tiny cells are highly intelligent, and they have many things in common with human beings. I discovered that living cells solve problems in the same way and the same order as human beings do. The main difference is that cells use biological systems to build organisms, and human beings use technological systems to build organizations. I discovered that living cells and human beings are following the same evolutionary pattern and principles. So basically nature provides us with a future roadmap that shows us how human beings, organizations and technology will evolve into a society that behaves like one big organism. I decided to write a book about my discovery, and my book became an instant bestseller on Amazon.com. Today my work is known around the world and I travel worldwide as a full-time keynote speaker. Over the last few years, I've inspired at least 500,000 entrepreneurs, policymakers and business leaders of large international organizations. And now it's time for me to move the story to the next level and inspire even a wider audience. And that is why I developed this online master course. In this master course, you will learn what the future will look like and what mindset and skills are needed to thrive in the economy of the future. You will also start to ask yourself some fundamental questions about your existence on Earth. For example, what does it mean to be a human being in an era where machines are getting smarter and more efficient daily? How do you lead life and work in this era? So, if you enroll in this master course, you will learn all about the driving force behind exponential technology. And as a result, you'll be able to predict how future waves of change will impact your personal life, your job and your business. And even more important, you will learn how to anticipate future waves of change and use these waves to your advantage. The future is not dark and scary, the future is bright and full of purpose. The short and bite-sized video lessons in this master course will provide you with lots of inspiration and thought-provoking insights that will help you to go digital and stay human at the same time. So if you want to have more certainty about the future of your business or job, then this master course is precisely what you're looking for. So go ahead and subscribe now.